All right, we're doing fish and parchment. Today's fish is mahi, which is local to the Outer Banks. And we're going to add some of these aromatic vegetables to each of these. And we have celery, garlic, some spring onion, some tomato, some mushrooms, and then a piece of lemon on each, a tablespoon of butter, and then let's not forget salt and pepper, because without which there is no flavor. So we gather this paper together and we fold it down and tuck it under to make an envelope. It takes approximately 10 minutes in a hot oven, 400 degrees. This is broccolini, and we're going to put it in boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we will take that and drain it, add a little oil, garlic, salt and pepper to it, and serve it with the potatoes and the fish. You'll need to let the oil get hot, and then we're going to dust the fish in breadcrumbs. And then this is olive oil, garlic, parsley, oregano, crushed peppers, and it is going to season the fish after it's cooked.
Okay, so you're trying the one in parchment, and I'm trying oleo. That is delicious.
That's really good.
So good.